All right, so today we have the NETVUE. Now this camera is a 2K 3 megapixel night vision, two-way audio, allow you to store either cloud or in a micro SD card right into the camera, wireless, or you can connect it also hot wireless. I'm going to show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and how important is secure either your business or home? Well, what you need is a camera. Camera needs to be easy to install, right? If you want, they can do a cloud and storage. Remember, if you do the cloud service, it's a monthly fee, but you can always record into the camera, into the micro SD card. And it needs to be also wireless. And the next thing, I want to get all the info right on my cell phone anytime. So I'm going to show you this, how this thing works right now. All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to configure on the camera right now, and I'll show you how it's been done. Pretty simple. So we got the camera. The first thing we're going to do, apply power. We apply power. Now, if you're going to configure this Wi-Fi, remember you need to reset, but I'm going to reset it. So you guys, I'm going to press right there. Few seconds, let it go. See, you got reset, and it's going to start going that beep 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 beep. All right. So what I'm going to do, and we need to install the app that's already there. So I'm going to do this hot wire. I'm going to show you something here. You see that little light over there? Let me go right there. You see the light there? It's blinking. So we're going to apply, we're going to do this hot wire. So after you plug in, it's going to turn off. Takes about 1 minute. So you need to wait until the light is blinking back again. So it's camera resetting. It's being detected right now. Because if I do that right now, it's not gonna find it in my app. Okay, that was pretty fast this time. So it can take up to 1 minute. So it's already there. We see the green light. Study. That's perfect. It's being detected. So my next thing is, let's pass. What kind of, you have the doorbell indoor. I have an outdoor camera. Right? So this is outdoor. Even the graphic looks a little different, but that's an outdoor camera. You have different styles. So my camera is the first one. We're gonna scan the code right here. So we click scan the code, and we go this way. Yes, it will detect it. Give me the camera ID. We go setup. What we want to do, hot wire, or we want wireless. Remember, if you guys doing wireless, it's a 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, so you have to make sure you have set up your 2.4 hot wire. Yes, apply power. Really that. And it should come in a few seconds. It can take up to, this is 2 minutes there. It can take up to, and Wi-Fi maybe takes up to 2 minutes. But already detected, it's already up. We want it front door, back door, driveway, or you can customize it where you want it. We're gonna put it in the front door. We click OK. That's it. It's there. That's the first thumbnail, or the first thing the camera has seen. Can you keep it here? Press right there. Let me shut down the, and you see. Perfect, nice resolution, 2K, 3 megapixel. We want to go full view. Let's go this way. And now we have, you see the real nice resolution. Remember, this one has automatic night vision. Now, if you want to hear what the camera, the volume of the camera, so you get that out, and then you see the it's coming up. It's coming up through here. I'm gonna turn it off. If I want to speak to the camera, I hold here and it says right to the camera. You get a picture. You can record it on your cell phone, but remember, you can do that by automatic editing the micro SD card. So right there we have a motion detection. It's off. If you turn it on, you can decide when to start and end it. Right, and you already see it already detected. So you can set the zone, motion zone as well too here. See, on, off. Maybe you want it only in this corner to be on, or you can turn it off, or you want the whole thing. You get that out. Let's go back to the configuration. We can reset it. We can send the camera to sleep. Camera is not soft right now, but we can set a schedule when to sleep. So maybe you want to record during the day. Maybe you want to record during the night. So automatic goes to sleep, and you set that manually through here. Motion alert and on or off. All right, and a human detection there. If you activate that, remember there is a pay service. It's a $2.99 a month, and it activates to the cloud service that will detect between a human and a dog and a human and a bear. So you want the camera to send your signal only when a human goes there and not an alien. All right, speaker volume, that's the speaker here. The light fixture, that's only a firmware update. It will let you know time zone, Wi-Fi setting. You can check, analyze the Wi-Fi. Right now it's high wire, so it's going to keep me 100%. Micro SD card, if it's there, you can format a micro SD card. And then night vision set up automatically. Don't need to do anything about that. And then if you want the startup tone and all that, you can turn it off if you want. You can reverse the image 180 degrees, and you can pin this to the top if you want, so the graph is there. And you can always click there and remove the camera if you feel like it. But as if you see, the camera works real fast. If I press the bell right there, it's going to show me the latest shot, whatever the camera has been detected. So it's nice to give you that information there. Remember that if you use the memory, it will record in low format. Where you see the little play there, you can always come back and review the videos the camera is recording. Remember that has happened right below here. So you put a nice memory there, and that's it. Or you can always have that, or if you want to use, you can use the cloud service as well too. It's real time, so it can take you about 3 minutes to set up. There's it, put 2 holes. Either way, you can do all 100% wireless if you want. It's about the same thing. It only requires the 12 volt and power supply. 100 and 240. You can do that anywhere, guys. If you want to protect your business of your home and you need to get one of these cameras right now, remember the link is right below. See you next time. Bye.